Let me sleep.
Wake up.
I'm actually quite stressed now. I'm taking a day off to relax, but I think doing this is more stress. I made a very dumb offer to Lynn that I'm going to be a YouTuber for a day. So my beautiful wife wrote me this. A day in the life of a YouTuber. My style. Good day! I'm not gonna say good morning because it's 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna skip breakfast. I'm still following my wife's instruction. Drink something healthy in the morning. Honey? Lemon? Water! My wife always say I'm alarm. Let me show you something.
Friend of my heart.
You know? YouTube, I think it's for surely, right? Look at that. White rice. What is this? White rice, huh? Couscous, It is couscous so big, Pasta in the shape like this, Black rice. It is not even black, And I don't know how to pronounce that. Healthy Vietnamese spring roll for lunch. Yeah, supposed to be doing Vietnamese spring roll, but guess what? No one has bought the ingredient. So I'll do whatever that I have. I make crispy fried chicken with sesame sauce. Yeah! Ginger juice or sauce or whatever. Half of it. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce of, what's it called? 5 spice. Tablespoon of corn flour. And I need to clean my hand. I'll use a towel. Usually I just use my hand. Just mix it around and I'm gonna put it in the fridge for about half an hour. Mẹ you boo boo? Okay, Daddy bring you go change. Hold tight, okay? Oh man, this is healthy. This is from your veggie garden. Your very own cauliflower. Coat it with corn flour and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Chicken's done. Now I'm making the crispy sesame chicken. A little bit of dark soy sauce for the color. Just for the color, you know. Sauce is taken out. Healthy version. A lot better than sweet and sour chicken on top. And you finish out with the last bit. Oh, sesame seed. There you go. Does it look good? Daddy number 1? Pretty good. The meat, healthy meal of my choice. Cracked properly so the fat would come out, and with the heat. Oh, my wife asked me to do a healthy dinner, but well, pork belly, it can be healthy. So that's why I'm using air fryer, and we're gonna eat this with healthy, like low carb noodles. You do it style, Jan. Daddy has style, right? You like Daddy style?
Yeah, but mommy don't have the style. Mommy just don't have.
The part you have to put the sauce on the meat, but I'm not gonna tell you what sauce I put because it's a secret recipe. But I can tell you what is in it: hoisin sauce, fermented tofu, like soy sauce, some alcohol, and 5 spice powder and so on and so on. Secret recipe, so unless you subscribe to my channel, and I can share with you the ingredient. Two rounds. Can it be faster? No. 30 minutes, 200 degrees for first round. And then second round, we do it again. And put a bit of oil on the top so I'll crack even more. Normally do brown and then add a little for woo, magic! Oh yeah! Oh, hey! Ta-da! Well, did you hear that? This is the best in Christchurch.
No, that's a bit.
The YouTuber for a day. How do I feel? Well, I finished my filming. Took whole afternoon and evening. And I haven't actually done the editing yet. It's not easy. My wife has been doing it for a year. So like, yeah, I think I've learned I learned my lesson to keep my mouth shut and carry on my usual day. Wish you to do the lawn mowing. Yeah? 老婆，加油，加油，加油！Coming. 妹妹 what you want?
Chocolate.
Chocolate milk. Okay. Yeah. Ciao, ciao. This is the best chocolate milk in the whole wide world. Nice, not nice. Best. How many chocolate milk you want?